Hello everyone, my today's discussion topic is regulatory bodies. Then first, what is regulatory body? Regulatory body is a regulatory authority that appointed by government, or it is a government body that regulate the safety, efficacy and quality of drug. That is regulatory body. And according to each country, there is a having specific regulatory body, and the regulatory body regulate drug safety, the quality, and the regulatory body collect all the data related to the pharmacovigilance, and also means the drug shows any safety or any adverse effect, that all related data that collected by regulatory body. And the function of regulatory body, that is there is a having three main function in regulatory body. The first function, that is the regulation, then second, that is the guidelines, and third, that is the compliance. Then in first, that is in regulation, the regulatory body making the laws, and the laws follow by the certain objective, that is the regulation. And in guidelines, they making some rules, and the rules follow by the laws, that is the regulation. And in compliance, there is a having two objectives. The first objective, that is the audit, and second, that is the inspection. Then first, what is mean by audit? In audit, there is a having to give some time period, and after the time period, to check the record and to verify the record, that is audit. And in inspection, there is a having live detection, means someone person came to the medical, or someone person came to their industry, and on another thing, and they check, verify all the record in live. Means they check the quality of product, they check the storage condition of product, they also check the other means environment of environment, also means the environment is clean or not, means that all thing check in an inspection term. Means they do not give any time period, they check live, that is inspection. And in India, there is a having CDSCO, that is a regulatory authority for India. CDSCO means that is a Central Drug Standard Control Organization, and the headquarters of CDSCO is located at Delhi. And in CDSCO, within there is a having DCGI. DCGI means Drug Control General of India, and under the DCGI, the all drug are regulated in India. And then next, that is the US. In US, there is a having US FDA. US FDA means United States Food and Drug Administration, and means the US FDA, it is the major regulatory body in all over the country. And means all the countries needed to approve of US FDA, so it is a major body. And in US FDA, there is having one term, that is a CFR, that is a Code of Federal Regulation. And in Code of Federal Regulation, there is a having Title 21, and under the Title 21, all the pharma license, all the pharma drug are import export are done in the 21 CFR. And then next, that is a Europe. In Europe, there is having EMA, European Medical Agency, that EMA also regulate and collect all the data related to the pharmacovigilance, and ensure the safety, efficacy of drug. Then next, that is the Japan. There is a having Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. Then Australia, there is a having TGA, Therapeutic Good Administration. Canada, there is a having Health Canada. And UK, there is a having MHRA, means Medical Healthcare Regulatory Agencies. And all the regulatory body, there is a having main one function, that collect the data related to the pharmacovigilance, and that regulate the safety, efficacy and quality of drug. That's all related in a regulatory bodies. And then some safety database that also according to the in each country, means in India, there is a having SUGAM. Then in a India, SUGAM. Europe, there is a having UV web, that is a Udra Vigilance web. And in a UK, there is a having US, there is a having UK, there is a having vigilance, and US, there is a having pharma ready. That's all the safety bases in India. And some there is a having, means some are the adverse reported form in a adverse reported form, that includes means some of the adverse reaction are caused in a patient, and that adverse reaction reported by some forms are used to detect that adverse reaction. That is in Europe, there is a having COMS. And in UK, there is a having yellow card. And that's all. Thank you.